What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house here, and back with another unboxing video. And no, it's not deja vu. I have another Tsurikawa subway handle here for unboxing, but this time we got a real nice one from JDM Tsurikawa. And if you recall, the original one I bought, which you can check out right up here, that one was just kind of a random cheapo one from Amazon, and so I figured, you know, let me buy something nicer, something a bit more JDM. If you want to know a bit about the history of these things and kind of what they mean, you can check it out in my original video. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this one. And I'm still going to keep the original one I bought in the truck. You can see me install it right up here. And this one I'm actually going to hang on the outside somewhere. So stay tuned and you'll see a video for that. So let's check it out. So super awesome, JDM Tsurikawa. When in doubt, please boso. Reference to the Bosozoku. So hang it on the back of the car, that's okay. Hang it on the door handle, that's okay. Olympic gymnast, that's okay. And then over here, I mean, I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, whatever, it's okay. So premium Tsurikawa from Japan since 2015. Alright, let's open it up. And then we got some staples. Should we use the knife? Might as well. Always gotta use the knife. Come on, guys. Is it necessary? Probably not. But hey, man, gotta make the video entertaining, right? Ta-da! And there it is. So I kind of wish I had the old one here so I could do a side by side, but yeah, compared to the original one, this one is a tad bit longer. The strap is made out of more of a flexible vinyl type plastic as opposed to fabric. And then instead of having the plastic clip, this actually has a metal bracket. So we could take a look. So here's the loop. And then over here we have what I believe is a rivet. And then to actually take it off and put it on, we have this metal bracket, so it'll just be those two screws. And then here's a nice little tag. There's a logo, JDM Tsurikawa. And yes, when in doubt, please boso. JDMTsurikawa.com. And yeah, I'll have a link to it down in the description box. And I may or may not actually have a coupon code. Which I don't get any kickbacks for, so don't worry about it. But yeah, there it is. Not much to it. Got the plain, simple white one. Feels nice. Yeah, a bit longer than the cheap Amazon one. And yeah, that's about it. I think the handle is just a tad bit smaller than the Amazon one, but yeah, nothing too crazy. But yeah, there it is. So yeah, stick around, stay tuned. I may or may not make a video of when I put it on the truck. I'll definitely take pictures. But please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I always appreciate you guys tuning in. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.